In this video, we're going to discuss the session options within the survey testing tools. There are two options available: restart test and end test. Restart test will allow you to just start from the beginning. So let's say I answer some questions, and for whatever reason I want to start over, I can just click on reset test, and then I'll start over. The other option is to click on end test, which will clear the session and tell you to close out of your browser or tab. The reason these buttons are important is because the system is tied to temporary cookies and cache. So if you tried to come back and take a survey again without clicking on either of these buttons, what would happen is you would most likely pick up where you left off, even though you want to start over from scratch. So if you wanted to do so, you can click on that restart test and it will clear you out and you start from the beginning, or you click on end test and end your session altogether, and then you can close your browser tab. These are also very useful if you are trying to test your live link, and if you are doing that multiple times, you might fall in that same scenario in which the cookies and cache have sent you to the same page or the same question where you left off from a prior live session. So if you come back here, click on restart test or end test, it'll clear the temporary cookies and cache, and then you can start your live test over again as well. The other option that usually helps in that regard, if you're trying to test the live link for any specific sort of reason, is using an incognito browser so that those cookies and cache are not saved. Then you'll get a better understanding of what it would look like or what the use case is when you're testing your survey. And that is the way the session piece works of the system as a whole, as well as in the testing tools.